Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we're checking out this 3D flower greeting card. Comes nice and flat and with its own envelope that it will fit nice, fun gold. It will take extra postage, but you can take it off its little card and just simply squeeze the base and you've got a 3D bouquet effect. This is about 8 to 10 inches tall. It is vibrantly colored. It is beautiful from any angle. And when you don't want to display it, you can easily just fold it up and put it away. But this sits flat on your desk, on your coffee table, on end table, whatever. But this is just such a great little gift to give. It is not specified for any occasion, so you really can use this for anything, for Mother's Day, for a birthday, for an anniversary, for get well, for condolences, for whatever. It does come with a little 3x5 gray toned blank note card that you can customize this. But just a great, beautiful, unique way to share some joy, love with whomever needs it in their life. I hope they enjoy it as much as I do.